Hi everyone, I'm Angela and welcome back to my channel. And tonight I am sharing with you what I am doing to reface the front of my drawers on this side of my island. So I am replacing these knobs and I found these pulls. They were in a natural color and I painted them, so they are going to go on in replacement of the pulls here. And once I am done, I will show those to you in the end. Please do stick around. And also, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're finding value here. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Angela's Fashion Mix. Everyone do have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.